I think it's hard for so many people in the world to keep track of which situation to focus on and which situation needs the attention most, and who's the most vulnerable, and I think it's a shame to identify one person as the most vulnerable, or one group or one situation as the most dire, because there is no comparison. There are so many situations going on in the world. So we're concerned about the people in Côte d'Ivoire, the people in Libya. We're concerned about their right for safe passage, to the right to seek asylum, whether they'll be granted that right, whether they'll be given safety at this time. And we're concerned about the people who've been here in this situation for so many years, and there's so many unmet needs and so much yet to be done. And there's a lot of great efforts, but we have very, very far to go.
And where you come from, by the way?
I came from America, from California.
از امریکا میگم.
کالیفرنیا.